Welcome students. Subject Mathematics Part 2. Standard ninth.
Chapter number 1, Basic Concepts in Geometry. First one, point. Point A. Point just shows the position. Point does not have length, breadth and height. Second one, line. Look at the line. We can name the line in two ways. By using names of any two distinct points on line. In bracket, line PQ or line PR or line RQ. By using single small alphabet line L. Third, plane. Flat surface which extends infinite in all directions. Two ways of writing name plane PQR or plane E. Point 4. Collinear and non-collinear points. Now, what is collinear points? Three or more points which lie on the same line are said to be collinear points. And non-collinear points, points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Now look at the figure. Points A, B, C, D are collinear points and point P, point Q, point R, point S are non-collinear points. Distance between two points in number line. Look at the number line. Distance between two distinct points can be calculated by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. Look at the number line scale. Coordinate of point A is 1. Coordinate of point D is 4. So 4 is greater than 1. Difference of A and D is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is equal to 4 minus 1. When you minus, we will get 3. So the difference of AD is equal to 3 units. Practice set 1.1. Look at the number scale. Now we will solve the question number 1. Difference of BE. Solution. The coordinate of point B is 2. The coordinate of point E is 5. 5 is greater than 2. Difference of B and E is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Therefore, difference of BE is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Therefore, difference of BE is equal to 3 units.
Difference of JA. Solution. The coordinate of point J is minus 2. The coordinate of point A is 1. 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore, difference of JA is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Difference of JA is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus 2, that is equal to 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Therefore, difference of JA is equal to 3 units. Difference of KO. Solution. The coordinate of point K is minus 3. The coordinate of point O is 0. So 0 is greater than minus 3. Difference of BE is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Difference of KO is equal to 0 minus in bracket minus 3 is equal to minus into minus become plus. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, difference of KO is equal to 3 units. Difference of Pj. Solution. The coordinate of point P is minus 4. The coordinate of point J is minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Difference of Pj is equal to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Difference of Pj is equal to minus 2 minus in bracket minus 4. So minus 2 minus into minus is become plus. So minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, difference of Pj is equal to 2 units. I hope you all understood the above sums. Thank you.